So we got a new shower head from GRICH to share today. I shared one a few months ago. This is a whole new model. We have a pretty decent size length hose here. We have our removable shower wand, which this one has like a massage bristle to it, which is pretty cool. This does have the jet sprayer. We'll try that out. And it does have a magnet like the old version to just stick right up on there. And then we have our main arm to split it off. So you're going to put this on the wall, and then you have your shower head and your removable one. It has a pretty good hold. The other thing about this one is that you can adjust the flow of the shower head with this knob here. So we'll try that out once I get it in there. It also does come with a water reducer, a couple washers, and we do have our Teflon tape. We have our Rainfall shower head. This one is a black design compared to the gray one of the old one. Very similar in the water pattern, it looks like. And then we do have our instructions if you need it. Now, as for the water restrictor, you're going to want to put it here in the main elbow. All right, first we need to go ahead and get the old shower head off. It's easier if you do have a longer arm. With that included Teflon tape, we need to go ahead and put it on here. And you want to do several turns. You want to make sure it's going to be nice and sealed so you don't get any leaks. Also go the direction that your threads are going to be going on so it doesn't go backwards and tear it off. Now before I put it up, I'm going to go ahead and put some Teflon on here so we can make sure it is sealed. That's usually the part that leaks the most for me, is where the hose connects, if I don't do this. I will say that this Teflon tape is a little thicker than most that I get. And I'm going to go ahead and attach the hose now. And I'm going to want Teflon tape for the rain shower head. And then we're just going to screw this on. I probably should get this fixed because it's not angled right. We need to put our wand on the other end of the hose. We're going to go ahead and put some Teflon tape on this too. All right, we are ready to test this one out. First off, I'm going to try the rain shower head. Well, let's go ahead and turn it on and try it out. We have the adjustable flow on this one. So this is good. Oh, gotta make sure the jet's not going. Adjustable flow. There we go. That works. So we have that one. I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to the rain shower. We have a nice flow. I did also put that water restrictor in. Let's go ahead and, well, let's get them both going. If you go halfway, you will be able to get both shower heads. Just, it's going to have a reduced pressure. If you take off that restrictor, then you're going to have a lot more pressure for both of them. But I ran out of hot water really fast when I do that. Now let's go ahead and try the handheld unit. I did like that it has the adjustable flow. I do like that it has adjustable flow right here. So you can turn it on and off. Oh, shoot. I also forgot that this one has a filter in it. I forgot to open it up before and showing you. So I can go ahead and show that now. We got our filter here right in the handle. And that's where it's going to go when you need to replace one. And it just goes in and like that. Now let's go ahead and try all the different flows. So we're gonna go all the way to this way. It's probably gonna do the jet. There's the jet. So we do have a clean jet on here, which is gonna allow you to easily clean. I like that when cleaning my showers. And then we have this. Actually, I like that one. It's like a really dense spray. Got a mixture of a Rainfall with that one. That's usually the setting that I do with my shower heads. A little bit more of a spray, a little bit more of a finer mist spray. And that's the last setting for that one. So that's the one I would use. I like that it has magnetic. It makes it easy to stick it up and on. And then also with this, you do have these massage bristles. So they're a little harder, but you can use it to massage and to scrub while you have it on and spraying. I'm gonna leave it off because I don't want to get all soaked right now. But that's a nice little feature if you like to scrub yourself with the shower head, or even just the massage, like I said. It'd feel nice for, maybe if you got a partner, they can massage your back with it. That's pretty nice. Second shower head I've used of theirs. I really like it. I'm still on the fence if I like this one or the other one better. But what I really like about this one is this massage feature. I am going to try this one out tonight. I'm going to say overall, it's a pretty nice shower head. You got your Rainfall head up here. You got your removable wand. You got your massage bristles. You got several different spray patterns. It's got a filter inside the handle that you can swap out. You can take it out if you don't even want the filter, but you can have the filter in there. You can adjust the flow right here on the handle. It's a pretty nice feature. I like that feature compared to the other ones. But if you're looking for a new shower head, this is the 2-in-1 from GRICH, their newest design. I think it's pretty cool. Thank you for watching.